Hi everyone, my name is Jake, and today we're going to look at some downtown Disney construction. Starting in Abel's, you can see no real visible progress. Going into World of Disney, the faux wall looks a little more decorated with merchandise. The structure across from the Catal restaurant that was once home to Ride Makers and Build-A-Bear is getting ready to house the Ballast Point and Black Tap craft burgers and beer. As the exterior of the structure is being repainted, a white base layer must be painted first. The current map of downtown Disney shows all of the locations, even the ones that will be removed this summer to make room for the new hotel.